All right, today I'm going to show you how to install memory on an AM4 motherboard. This particular board has one stationary side and then your other side here that has your closing mechanism. So you want to pay attention to that. Some motherboards actually have this on both ends. This does not. In order to install the memory, you want to make sure wherever the memory stick is going, you have it open here. And we're going to line up the stick to make sure we have the correct length. That does not look correct. I'm going to flip it around. That looks right. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the slots. Make sure I'm lined up properly. And I'm going to go ahead and press down. And we're in. That's the basics of putting a stick of memory on your motherboard. There you go.